Okay, so I'm here at Alice's. It's I think the 17th, or no, 13th. We're up here. We've got, I think, 12 or 13 Factory 5s already. We got everything from an 818 to GTM, tons of Cobras, 2 Type 65s you can see behind me. So very cool, very good turnout. So we'll kind of walk around. I don't have my right camera gear. I left some at home, so I don't know how the video is going to turn out. I'm kind of hand-holding this thing. But we'll make the best of it and see what we can do. But very, very cool. Great turnout. I mean, look at some of this. See one of these up close. Okay, so here we've got an 818. This guy lives in Danville. And then I'm hearing that these are all about Factory 5, so I'm not sure what the deal is here, but badass GTM right here, gorgeous looking car. More Cobras. Yeah, I think we're up to 14 cars here now. So what I'm hearing though, these are not all Factory 5s. There was some other Cobra event going on up here. I didn't know about that, but so look at this thing. TV screen. Okay, so even it's Cobras, check out that old Porsche 911. Sweet car. This one, I believe, is a Factory 5 as well. Yeah, this one is a Factory 5. He's actually got the, I love the wheels. This is Superformance. So, just to reiterate, we found out today the Bay Area Cobra Club meets up at Alice's the 3rd Saturday of every month. So I think we're now going to try to get the Factory 5 hookup 3rd Saturday of every month, and that way we can have a whole gathering up here like what we've got, because there has got to be, oh geez, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, there's probably 15 these things sitting around up here right now. So as you can see, and they're all gorgeous. This one here is very nice as well. Love the color. Simple inside. Wow, it's got the whole dash painted. Yeah, kind of different there, huh? Yeah, so a whole ton of Cobras here. As I said, we got some Superformance. I heard there's an ERA here. This one here is very clean. Love the dark blue. Very nice color. Dark blue with the gray stripes. There's even 2 more down here. This one looks very, very cool. Look at the old school Goodyear Eagles. I don't know, that whole look to me, that big tired look, pretty cool. So I'm with Scott here in his GTM. He's got an LS3 in here. Pretty awesome looking build. You just don't see these things floating around, and probably not for much longer. Yeah, very cool car.
Nobody likes me. This Cobra right here.
So this guy, Terry, does 201. Similar coverage did 223. Engagement. He's a 600 wheel horsepower.
So then you later did 232 on it?
Yeah, right? Pretty insane.
23 is did the record in
So here we've got twin Cobras. Same color stripes. One's got a coyote, one's got an old school 347 maybe, hard to say. Yeah, so similar paint, similar cars, different motors, different drivetrains. Beautiful Super Performance. Okay, so we've got two Cobras here that are almost identical. They look, the colors so similar, gray with yellow stripes. I mean, these things look so close, and I thought maybe they were husband, wife, you know, brothers, dad, who knows? Come to find out, they just met today. I mean, other than the motors, they are damn similar. Pretty cool. My son?
sorry.
Oh. So this is Brandon's 33 Factory 5. You guys have seen it before, but had to show it again. He showed up. Factory 5 Barry Cobra Club car show. You've seen it all. Great day, so definitely hit subscribe and we'll catch you on the next video.